Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Good Health, your go-to destination for all things wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition with a topic that's sure to excite your taste buds and nourish your body: the best dry fruits for health. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of these nutritional powerhouses. The nutrient-rich lineup. Let's kick things off by exploring our nutrient-rich lineup. From sweet and chewy dates to the crunchy goodness of almonds, each of these dry fruits brings something unique to the table. Join me as we break down the health benefits of each and why they deserve a spot in your daily diet. Energy-boosting snacks. Need a pick-me-up during the day? Look no further. We're diving into some energy-boosting snack ideas featuring these fantastic dry fruits. Quick, easy, and oh so delicious, these snacks will keep you fueled and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. The beauty of portion control. One key to a healthy lifestyle is understanding portion control. I'll share some tips on incorporating these dry fruits into your meals without overdoing it. It's all about balance, and I'll show you how to enjoy the benefits without tipping the scales. Dear dry fruit mixes. Why settle for store-bought mixes when you can create your own? I'll guide you through crafting your personalized blend of dry fruits to suit your taste preferences and health goals. Get ready for a burst of flavors and nutrients in every bite. Expert insights and Q&A. To wrap up our exploration, we have a special guest, a nutrition expert who will share their insights into the incredible health benefits of these dry fruits. Plus, we'll be answering some of your burning questions in a Q&A session, so stay tuned. There you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to the best dry fruits for health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Good Health for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our nutritious adventures. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and snack smart.